Hey, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go ahead and begin. So here's what you need to know. We're going to be going over the question, what are the top 7 things I should do to get approved for Social Security disability benefits, whether that's SSI, SSDI, or adult child disability benefits. Number 1, and this is super important, if you're working, they're almost certainly going to go ahead and deny you. If you're earning close to, around, or just over $1,260, then you're earning SGA, and they're going to deny you. If you're working, they're going to deny you. That's just kind of what the program has become, because there's so many people who cannot work in any way at all, A lot of you guys are like, oh, once I get my benefits, I'm going to go ahead and go work. There's a reason you haven't been working for the past 5 years. Nobody believes your crap. Come on, give me a break. I love you all. I do. But nobody believes that. I'm going to go back to, once I get my benefit, why not just go back to work now? Well, I'm waiting to get my benefits. Then just why not go back to work now? I don't know how there's a disconnect in most people's brains. They just don't do that. It's like when people talk about terraforming another planet so we can move there. If we have the ability to terraform another planet, why can't we just terraform this planet? All right. Number 2 on the list that we're going to be going through is the specialist war. Make sure you have, when going and trying to receive disability benefits, at least 2 specialists. 2, because when they send you to their specialist, the SSA specialist, their doctor, the MECE, medical expert for a consultative examination, if theirs says not disabled and yours says disabled, then you've got another one that says not disabled. That's 2 not disabled specialists against their 1 that wins. Way to evidence procedure. Number 3, learn what the 5-step sequential process is. The 5-step sequential process, these are the elements that make up the disability law. There's 5 of them. Yeah, it's really like 5.5, but there's 5 of them. Go watch one of the videos of what are the elements of disability. What's the 5-step sequential process? Just watch one of the YouTube videos on that. Next one, 4. Scrub your online presence. I don't want to see, when I represent you, a bunch of, you in a race car, at a rally, flipped upside down, crawling out of it on YouTube, with a big smile and a Budweiser in your hand. I don't want to see that, okay? Because it just hurts your claim. I don't care if it was 3 years ago or 4 years ago or 5 years ago and you're claiming disability benefits for 2 years ago. I don't care. The moment an adjudicator sees that stuff, they de facto will change the psychological way that they perceive how disabled you actually are. Scrub your online account. Number 5, so make sure your record is up to date. Your record, so there's like 9 steps to go ahead and get a document into the SSA once you actually see a physician. You got to go see a physician. Doctor's got to write up a report. He's got to send it to his records department. Records department has to receive a notification. That's a federal request to receive the documents, right? A HIPAA, high tech. Then from there, bill gets sent out. Bill is paid. Records get sent out. They get sent into the SSA. Person at the SSA reviews them. That's like 9 steps. You got to do it. Make sure the record's up to date. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. No drugs, alcohol, or narcotics on the record. Don't be smoking pot and then go to the medical facility and expect them to go ahead and not test you with a UA, urine analysis, or a blood test. Because if you get a BT or UA, the problem is ... If you have that stuff in your system, you might get a judge that does not like it and will deny you de facto for it. Taking meds as prescribed. That's going to be the next one. So basically this, if you are prescribed medication, don't tell the doctor about all the ways you are not doing what they said to do, right? Don't walk them through you have to tell them the truth, which is why you just should be taking the medication as prescribed. But, the way this is, you guys are, well, I take a little bit of Seroquel and I mix it with this one, and then I crush up that pain pill, and then I slide it in there, and then I shoot it. That's fine. I don't care if you're doing that, but you know what I mean? The bottom line is you need to be taking your medication as prescribed. That's why it has a little warning label on it. So these are the things that basically you need to be doing so that you have a shot at actually winning disability benefits, because it's so much more difficult nowadays to be able to win disability benefits than it was back in the day. Okay, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA in Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. If you have a question or you want something answered, I'll add it to the list of things to do. I've shot more YouTube disability-based videos /Vimeo /whatever than anybody else out there, including attorneys and non-attorneys. Many of them, it might even almost be at like the combined amount at this point. But either way, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. If you want to ask me a quick question, 8 to 10 on Thursday live on YouTube, Eastern Standard Time. Just go into the chat room, boop, put the question in, I'll answer it right then and there. Hope all is well. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.